Students, I'm Ragni Tiwari, your English teacher. Students, let us continue with the fiction A Retrieved Reformation written by O. Henry, page number 17, beginning with first paragraph. I'll read the chapter for you and then get ready to write the hard words with their meanings and then I'll explain. So here we go. Ben Price squinted in and leaned on his elbow, looking casually inside. He told the teller that he didn't want anything. He was just wanting for a man he knew. Suddenly, there was a scream from the women and a commotion. Unperceived by the elders, May, the 9-year-old girl, in a spirit of play, had shut Agatha in the vault. The old banker sprang to the handle and tugged at it for a moment. The door can't be opened. He groaned. The clock hasn't been wound or nor the combination set. Agatha's mother screamed again hysterically. There isn't a man nearer than Little Rock who can open that door, said Mr. Adams in a shaky voice. My God, Spencer, what shall we do? That child, she can't stand it long in there. There isn't enough air, and besides, she'll go into convulsion from fright. Agatha's mother, frantic now, beat the door of the vault with her hands. Somebody wildly suggested dynamite. Annabel turned to Jimmy, her large eyes full of anguish but not yet despairing. To a woman, nothing seems quite impossible to the powers of the man she worships. So here are the hard words. Squanted. Squanted means walked in a relaxed way. Walked in a relaxed way. Then teller. Teller, do you know? Teller means a person employed to deal with customers' transactions in a bank. Then unperceived. Unperceived. Unperceived means not noticed, not taking care on, do not pay attention, not noticed. Commotion, hustle and bustle. Okay, and sprang. Sprang is the second form of the verb spring. Spring means act suddenly or swiftly. Act suddenly or swiftly. Tugged at. Tugged at means to pull at. To pull. Hysterically means state of extreme pain or state of extreme excitement. Extreme pain or extreme excitement. Convulsions. Convulsions means uncontrolled sudden movement of a body. Sudden movement of a body which is uncontrollable. Then frantic. Frantic means extremely worried. Extremely worried. Then anguish. Anguish means pain. Anguish means pain. Okay, these are the hard words, student. Now let us explain the chapter. As we have already discussed that Ben Price has not forgotten about Jimmy Valentine, and after a year he is still chasing him. And he reached to Elmore City. Not only in the Elmore City, he came to know that Valentine was going to marry with a banker's daughter. So he reached Elmore Bank. He was there in the bank only, and he only informed the teller in the bank that he was nothing. He was doing nothing there. He was just waiting for a man whom he knew very well. Okay, then. Suddenly, Annabel and her sister, that married sister, they both screamed. They both shouted in pain. Without their knowledge, May has locked Agatha in the safe while playing. Actually, accidentally, May, the 9-year-old girl, she locked Agatha in the vault. Accidentally, without knowingly. Okay? And Mr. Adam tries to open the vault, but he has not yet set the clock or the combination, and he is unable to engage the lock because the vault vaults are new and the combination was not there. That's why he was unable to open that vault. Annabelle's sister worried. She was very worried that her daughter she will suffocate to death in the safe. Panics and demands for the men among people to do something. Okay, she wants somebody do something, somebody help her daughter to take him out, take her out. Mr. Adams respond there to Spencer that there was not a man nearer than Little Rock who can open the vault door. He turns to Jimmy desperately that what would be the next, what shall we do next if the child would be inside, she will suffocate there. Agatha's mother frantic now. She was in a lot of pain. She was suffered with the pain and beat the door of the vault with her hand. She was beating the door that time. Somebody suggested among the people that why not if we try dynamite, but it is not a good suggestion because it is going to be very harmful for that girl. Annabelle turned over to Jimmy and her eyes was filled with pain and she was in despair. She was in a worry. She was she was in pain. She was suffering from soreness and she only expect that a powerful man whom a lady can worship, a lady can trust, only a man, powerful man can help in such kind of situation. So she was looking at Jimmy in a expected way that perhaps he could do something. So this is all about today's video, student. Go through the video carefully and we will continue our story in our next video. Okay, take care, have a nice day.